Good morning, students. Today we will have a topic on our exams which are coming very shortly for state as well as CBSE students. There are a couple of points which we can observe, which we can focus on. One is that as of now we had been attending only online classes. Hardly we have been able to have some offline classes in the physical format in our schools and colleges. So one is that we have come out of a very different mode of educating or learning which we have not been knowing before. One. Two, as soon as the exam comes, we start panicking. Don't panic. Everything is perfectly fine. Schools and colleges would take enough care for you to avoid any disease like corona during exams or during practicals and things like that. Then what you have to do, what you have to focus on is time management. Kindly start managing your time very effectively. One, please start getting up early. Early when I say, for those who are planning to attend, who are supposed to write board exams, at least 5 o'clock in the morning you must get up. Once you get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, immediately after finishing your daily chorus, you should have 10 minutes rigorous exercise. 10 minutes exercise by which your blood starts moving perfectly fine. During day, please do not use mobile. Please do not get into friendship, chatting, getting to park and things like that till your exams get over. Kindly allocate sufficient time, ideal time for all your subjects, particularly science and math. Evening time, please ensure that you sleep latest by 10:30. Latest by 10:30. Only if you sleep by 10:30, you would be able to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. The other things to understand apart from this time management is you need to love your subject. If you love your subject, only then you would be able to go further, you would be able to grasp. Here the next point is, please do not memorize. Please do not memorize, for God's sake. Try to understand the concepts really well. When you get into next class, the next class would need you to know the concepts really well. You need to get into problem solving activities for any competitive exams you write. For solving problems, the minimum thing what you have to know is you should know your concepts really well. Only then you would be able to solve the problems for any competitive exams, whether you write for getting into college or you go and write for getting into some IIT or JEE exams or NEET exams or anything like law exams and things like that. Please do not get panic. Everything is perfectly fine. Mold yourself into a common general environment. Work on the studies. Get out of any distractions or anybody saying negative things. Wishing you all the best. Please see this video fully and subscribe my video YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.